Hello, I'm Nick from UL School. In the next few minutes we are going to master one of the most important verbs in the English language. That's verb to have. It's one of the most important verbs. We use it often and for so many different things. So here we go. We used to have to show possession, what somebody has. To make it positive, let's see how we used to have with different subjects. I have, you have, he, she, it has, we have, you have, they have. For example, I have a dog. Dog has a friend. To make it negative, we should do not or does not before have verb. I do not have. You do not have. He, she, it does not have. We do not have. You do not have. They do not have. For example, I do not have any money. I don't have a monkey. To make it interrogative, we say do or does before subjects. Do I have? Do you have? Does he, she, it have? Do we have? Do you have? Do they have? And examples. Do you have any ideas? Does she have a cat? I hope this lesson was helpful for you. Bye for now.